Hi, this is Mike DelSignore, a Boston OUI attorney. What happens if a loved one of yours has an OUI offense? It's not their first, it's a second, third, or even fourth offense. What should you do? Should you send them into treatment? The answer is definitely yes. A lot of people think that if you get treatment, then the court's going to think they have a problem, or it's an admission to having a problem with alcohol. Well, the fact of the matter is, if you have a second, third, or fourth offense, you have a problem. Whether you have a defense to the case is a separate issue. I win cases all the time for clients, and they still get treatment. They still get help. They don't necessarily need to be found guilty to get the help and the treatment they need through professionals, either through going to AA or through other counselors. I have a counselor that I recommend often who can provide both counseling, figure out what the cause of the alcohol issue. Sometimes it might be you're going through a divorce, it might be stress, it might be job related. It just might be a lot of different things. And over the years, I've come across a lot of different people who have been very successful in their life, and all of a sudden they hit a roadblock in their life, and they turn to alcohol. And they might pick up one or even two OUIs in a short period of time. Sometimes people don't realize that they need help, and as a family member, the best thing you can do is tell them that they need to get help, and that they should get help, and it's going to help them all around. It'll help them in the court system. It'll help them with the registry of motor vehicles. Somebody who has 2 or 3 prior OUIs is going to want to see evidence of serious alcohol treatment and serious self-help. So doing this sooner rather than later can be very important. It can be important both in court. Let's say the person loses after trial. It could be the difference between a probation sentence or a jail sentence. It could be the difference between a maximum sentence and a minimum sentence. And it could be also aid in getting a reduction in the charge. So if you know somebody that's not their first offense, share this video with them. Tell them that they should get help. It's never going to be used against them. And that they need to do it not only for the court, for themselves, but because it's the right thing to do for their family, for their loved ones who are supporting them through this. So it's Mike DelSignore. If you have questions about an OUI offense, you need treatment recommendations, feel free to call me. My number is 781-686-5924. I'm here to help. It's never too early, too late to call. You can call, text, weekends, holidays, anytime.